Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your image, transfer your images into unique avatar style in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is the desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. So here, in order to start, you can click apps and then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down. This is the AI apps. And here we go, this is the Avatarify. Transform your images into unique avatar styles. You can click it. Now you can click use in new design. And here you can upload your image or select one in your design to Avatarify it. So you can here choose your file. For example, this one. Then please wait, this may take a few seconds. And this is the result. So you can replace if you do not satisfy, like strength of pen effect. You can try to increase the effect strength. Higher values will produce more creative results. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well as button below. See you in the next video.